pictures from our favorite books. My mom is going to do it on the left. I'm going to do it on the right. We're going to do the cat from Flubby. Let's see how close our drawings can get. If you want to draw along with us, you got to grab some paper, a marker, and something to color with. If we go too fast, just pause the video. We finished Flubby. Now we just need to do the bull and mouse. Wow, I think we did a great job. Now let's color it. Isn't Flubby so cute? I love this book. That's it for our drawing today. I hope you had fun. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Once upon a scribble.